Those that need to be beside you and those that are amongst you within this time of September are with you for a reason. The co-creation of one's dreams can be had with nature. They are beginning to sprout. They are beginning to make waves within your world. And you will feel these waves. You will feel these waves of people. The people on your path. You are meant to discover. So look for the signs, not on the outside, but on the inside. As your heart knows, as your heart will answer your call to the path that serves you best.